Hello and welcome to Juicy Julie. Come right in, let's make this healthy juice for glowing skin, strong immunity and energy boost all in one sip. Are you ready? Let's get started. First on our list is cucumber. Cucumber is loaded with natural water and vitamins. It helps to keep the body hydrated, flushes out toxins, and keeps the skin looking smooth and radiant. Carrot is next on our list. It is easily identified by its vibrant orange color in this case. Carrots are rich in vitamins A, making it perfect for promoting eye health and skin glow from inside out, all naturally. I also add carrots to my juice to improve the flavor of this juice and make it more palatable. It also gives me a boost of energy. As a woman over 50, it helps with my hormones and overall wellness. Next is their apple. There's a popular saying about eating an apple. I would like you to leave it in the comment section for me. Apples are loaded with vitamins, particularly vitamin C and antioxidants that helps improve skin health, boost immunity, promote digestive health, flush out toxins from the body, and keep the heart healthy. It will also add some natural sweetness to this juice, thereby improving its flavor and taste. To add a bit of a kick to this healthy juice, I have chosen to add spring onions. Spring onions is not popular with juicing. However, it is loaded with relevant nutrients that we need to detox and cleanse our bodies from toxins. It helps to promote digestive health, boost immunity, and is rich in vitamin K that is great for our bone and blood health. This is lemon. It does not need any introduction on this channel because it's our regular. Lemon will add a zesty flavor to this juice. It is a powerhouse of vitamin C, making it perfect for boosting immunity, promoting skin health, making our skin bright and glowy from inside out. It also is a great detoxifier, leaving us feeling refreshed. Now that all the fresh preps are completed, it's time to juice. And I'm going to be juicing with my Nama J2 hands-free juicer. I introduce fresh parsley, the green of the day, to you. I've chosen to add this for its abundant vitamins and antioxidant that helps to cleanse the body, support kidney health, and gives that extra energy boost. And the last but not the least ingredient is ginger. So in the absence of fresh ginger, I'm adding this powdered ginger to the vegetables. That way it's able to blend properly. Just like lemon, ginger needs no introduction in this household. It is spicy and zesty, and combined with all of the other ingredients, it will improve digestive health, boost metabolism, and reduce inflammation naturally. Let's juice. take a look at this liquid gold. These natural multivitamins, no preservatives, no additives, all natural. Make food your medicine. Make food your medicine again, I say. Now, juicing all of this goodness together gives you a tasty and refreshing juice that is not only tasty but helps keep you refreshed, energetic, healthy, and ready to tackle whatever the day brings. Thank you for watching up to this point. Subscribe, like, share, and leave your comments in the comment section. Again, I say, make food your medicine. Click on these videos popping up. I'm sure you will find them insightful. See you in the next video.